Have you guys ever heard about DALI 2? DALI is an AI system that works mainly on image processing. It creates realistic images for you from text description. This is the famous AI model. DALI 2 can make realistic edits to existing images using natural language processing. Hey everyone, before diving into today's topic, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. In all these years, you guys might have heard about artificial intelligence n number of times. Now let us understand what artificial intelligence is actually about. So what's in for you? First, let's discuss what exactly is artificial intelligence. Next, we will cover different types of artificial intelligence. Then comes interesting concept, phases of artificial intelligence. Following that, we will look at branches of artificial intelligence. Then we will talk about AI in daily life. Finally, the future of artificial intelligence will be discussed. Before moving forward, let me ask you a question. Which is the best AI technology that you guys have ever come across? Let me know in the comment section. Moving on. First, let us see what artificial intelligence is. The term artificial intelligence was first coined by John McCarthy in 1950s. McCarthy established a lab for artificial intelligence at Stanford University where he developed the first iterations of a self-driving car. Artificial intelligence is a technique of turning a computer-based robot to work and act like humans. Siri, Alexa, recommendations from companies like Flipkart and Amazon, and self-driving cars like Tesla. All this work is based on AI. According to Novick and Russell, the behavior that defines AI is thinking like a human, acting like a human, rational thinking and rational acting. In 1950s, Alan Turing conducted an interesting experiment that differentiated between machines and humans. He considered a machine, a human, and an interrogator in his experiment. Here, the interrogator is aware that one among them is a human being. His job is to identify the human based on the answer. If the interrogator fails in the process, the computer or the machine successfully acts like a human. Now we are aware of what is artificial intelligence. Now let us see types in it. Based on functionality, there are 4 types of AI. And the first type is reactive machine. Reactive machine is the most common type of artificial intelligence that doesn't keep memories or make decisions based on past experiences. It only functions with current data. They are provided with certain tasks and cannot go beyond them. IBM's Deep Blue once defeated chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov is a reactive machine that uses the chessboard pieces and reacts to them. Its action is based on the current move and past experience doesn't matter. And second type is limited memory. Limited memory is completely different from reactive memory because it makes decisions based on past experiences. But they can use it only for a specific amount of time and it cannot be fed into their library as past experience. The best example is self-driving cars. It records the recent movement of other nearby cars. And the third is theory of mind. It is AI's cutting-edge class of technology that only exists in concept. A deep grasp of how the people and things in an environment can change feelings and behavior is necessary for this form of AI. It must understand people's emotion and feelings. Even though many AI are of this type, work is not fully completed in this field. Sophia from Hanson Robotics is the best example where the theory of mind AI was implemented. Cameras present in Sophia's eye combined with computer algorithms permits her to see. She can sustain eye contact, recognize individuals, and follow faces. It looks like human. Next comes self-awareness. These machines are still under experiment. So all the things regarding it are completely hypothetical. Such systems will be smarter than human and with their own emotions and strategies. It will understand others' feelings, and in addition to it, it will have its own feelings. This is the ultimate type of AI. Only the future can answer about its success story. These are all the important types of artificial intelligence. Next, let's move on and understand phases of AI. There are three important phases of AI. One is narrow intelligence, general intelligence, and third is super intelligence. First, let us see what is narrow intelligence. Narrow AI is commonly referred to as weak AI, is limited to program in small or narrow tasks. It is subjected to limited abilities. This has widely occupied our day-to-day life. Siri, Amazon's Alexa, Google Translate, Google's translation work on natural language processing, which we will discuss later. IBM's Watson supercomputer is another example of narrow AI. It is named after the founder and CEO of IBM, Thomson J. Watson. It uses machine learning, natural language processing, and cognitive computing to process information and answer queries. General AI, also referred to as strong AI, is capable of learning and comprehending any intellectual endeavor that a person is capable of. It enables a machine to use knowledge and abilities in various situations. AI researchers have not yet developed strong AI. They would have to find a method to program computers with a complete range of cognitive abilities with necessary consciousness. Companies like Microsoft are investing heavily in this technology. Tianhe 2 is a supercomputer that was developed by China's National University of Defense Technology. It holds the record of 33.86 petaflops per second. Although that sounds exciting, the human brain is estimated to be capable of 1 exaflop, that is a billion calculations per second. And last comes super intelligent. It performs tasks better than any human being. This is the current position of the world in the field of artificial intelligence. This means we are in the stage of developing super intelligence AI. Super AI overtakes human intelligence and can perform tasks better than any human. The concept of artificial superintelligence sees AI evolve to be so akin to human sentiments and experiences that it doesn't merely understand them. It also evokes emotions, needs, beliefs, and desires of its own. Its existence is all hypothetical. Some of the critical characteristics of super AI includes thinking, solving puzzles, making judgments and decisions on its own. Hope to see this development very soon. These are the phases of AI. Let us now cover different branches of artificial intelligence. So first is machine learning, then comes deep learning, after that robotics, and finally natural language processing. First let us learn machine learning. You might have heard about machine learning many times. It is a powerful branch of artificial intelligence. This amazing technology helps computer systems learn and improve from experiences by developing computer programs that can automatically access data and perform tasks via predictions and directions. When you order something very constantly on Amazon, it will show recommendations on similar products. You can check out many videos related to machine learning from Simplilearn. Machine learning and the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence make this all possible. Next is deep learning. Deep learning can be considered as a subdivision of machine learning. It is a field that is based on learning and improving on its own by examining different computer algorithms. Deep learning works with artificial neural networks which are designed to imitate how humans think and learn. Deep learning is used in image processing, language translation, speech recognition. It can be used to solve any pattern recognition problem and without human intervention. Next comes robotics. It is a branch of AI that comprises electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and computer science. The objective of robotics is to create intelligent machines which will make human work like robot. Say, some will be like humans and others will be in the form of robotic process automation and many more. Next is natural language processing. Natural language processing, also known as NLP, is the area of artificial intelligence that enables machines to read and comprehend meaning from human languages. Natural language processing will help to connect the gap between human communications and digital data. This is all about branches of artificial intelligence. Moving on to artificial intelligence in day-to-day life. Education. Even though the education industry is the one most influenced by humans, artificial intelligence has also started to establish itself there. This gradual adoption of AI has helped faculty members become more productive and refocus their attention on students rather than office or administrative tasks. Even in the field of education, artificial intelligence can assist educators with non-educational tasks like task-related duties, facilitating and automating personalized messages to students, back office tasks like grading paperwork, organizing and facilitating parent and guardian interactions, regular issue feedback, facilitating managing enrollment courses, etc. E-commerce. Artificial intelligence technology makes recommendations engine possible, allowing you to interact with your customers more efficiently. Their browsing history, preferences, and interests are considered while making these recommendations. It helps you build stronger bonds with your clients and increases brand loyalty. Chatbots and virtual shopping assistants enhance the user experience for online shoppers. The dialogue uses natural language processing to sound as natural and intimate. Additionally, these assistants can interact with your consumers in real time. Next comes lifestyle. When it comes to driving in any environment and object detection to prevent accidents, automakers like Toyota, Audi, Volvo, and Tesla uses machine learning to train computers to think and evolve like people. Face recognition algorithms are used by our favorite devices, including phones, laptops, and personal computers, to detect and identify users to grant safe access. Face recognition is most popular artificial intelligence used outside of personal use, even in highly secure settings in many businesses. Robotics. Another area where artificial intelligence applications are frequently applied in robotics. AI-powered robots employ real-time updates to detect obstructions in their path and instantaneously design their routes. It can be applied to transporting commodities in warehouses, factories, and hospitals, cleaning huge equipments in offices, inventory control. Healthcare. Numerous uses of artificial intelligence are found in the healthcare industry. Building advanced devices that can detect diseases and identify cancer cells uses AI applications. To ensure early diagnosis, artificial intelligence can assist in analyzing chronic diseases with lab and other medical data. AI employs a combination of medical knowledge and historical data to find new medications. The gaming industry is another area where AI technologies have gained popularity. AI can be utilized to develop intelligent, human-like NPCs that communicate with players. It can also be used to forecast human behavior to improve game design and testing. The 2014 Alien Isolation video game used AI to follow the player around at all times. Two artificial intelligence systems are used in the game, the director AI, who frequently knows where you are, and the alien AI, which is controlled by sensors and behaviors and persistently pursues the player. These are all the important applications of artificial intelligence we have covered. Finally, we are going to see the future of artificial intelligence. Elite firms, there is a real evidence-based transition from artificial intelligence. According to 61% of respondents to a new Deloitte Insight report, AI will significantly change their industry in the coming 3 to 5 years. Additionally, adoption is significant for each firm, with 53% of those surveyed investing more than $20 million in AI personnel and technology in the previous year. It is now without a question that AI is becoming more and more integral to company operations and even strategies. AI can ultimately produce more employment than fewer. If there is an investment at all levels, from education to the business sector and government organizations, anywhere that focuses on training and upskilling employees. In reality, major companies are ready to invest regularly in AI. In early, major companies are already investing regularly in AI technologies at a rate of 90%. Businesses have used AI-driven technologies in some capacity, claim higher productivity rates, more than half of them. Given that AI will have such broad effects across numerous industries, it is also a wonderful area to concentrate your efforts on if you want to advance your career or boost the competitiveness of your professional profile. Many assessments of the top job market talents for 2018 place AI and machine learning at the top. Over the next 5 years, there will be likely 71% growth in the number of jobs requiring AI or machine learning expertise. No matter how we feel about it, AI is undoubtedly here to stay. We need to adjust to this technology. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. Happy learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.